Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to set up our Jenkins configuration in order to run our first Maven-based project. To set up Jenkins configuration, go to Manage Jenkins. Then click Global Tool Configuration that loads the Jenkins configuration for us. As you see, there are a couple of things we need to set up. We need to add a JDK, a Git, and Maven installation, so that Jenkins knows where to locate those tools during the build process. Let's start with the Java JDK. So under JDK Installations, click Add JDK. We need to fill in the name, which can be anything we want, to name this installation of JDK. Here I just put Local JDK. By default, Jenkins will have Install automatically checked. But since we've already installed the JDK on our local box, so let's uncheck Install automatically. And fill in the Java home field with a path where Java is installed on our local box. If you don't remember the path, go back to the Java installation lecture to find it out. Next, let's configure our Git installation. We just follow the same process. Click on Add Git, then Git. Let's give this Git installation a name. I'm going to call it Local Git. Since we're able to just type git in the command to invoke git executable, here we don't need to add the full path to git. Just type in git. Lastly, let's move on to configure our Maven installation. Click on Add Maven. Then name the Maven installation Local Maven. As what we did for JDK, just uncheck Install automatically. And like Java Home, Maven Home is the full path to where we have Maven installed. If you don't remember the full path, just go check the previous Maven installation lecture. It's noted, this Maven Home path doesn't include the bin directory in the end. Now that we've updated our Jenkins configuration, let's click on Save. You might have noticed that we have two buttons here, Save and Apply. What is the difference? The Apply button will save the changes we have made so far, but then remain on the current configuration page, so that we can continue making changes. The Save button will save our changes, but then take us to the previous page. Since I don't have any further changes to make, Save is the right choice for us. That's it for this lecture. I hope you've enjoyed it.